Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Realme has been teasing the launch of a new Narzo series. The new smartphone series is speculated to be the Realme Narzo 65G series. Realme hasn't revealed much about its upcoming phone, but we've received an image from industry sources that gives us our very first look at the phone's design. Realme's next smartphone launch in India is going to be the Narzo 60 series, which will come with 5G support. We've also got our hands on an exclusive image of the Realme Narzo 60 series phone that gives us a good look at its rear design. At first glance, one will be reminded of the Realme 11 Pro series that launched in India recently. This is evident from the wide circular camera module at the back. Realme Narzo 60, MediaTek Helio G96 4GB, processor 6.43 inches 16.33 centimeters display, 13 MP plus 2 MP rear camera, 8 MP selfie camera, 5000 mAh battery. The Realme Narzo 65G is seen in a bright orange color, and the company will be calling it Martian Horizon, as it is inspired by the landscape of Mars. The phone also appears to have a vegan leather finish. The volume rocker and volume buttons are located on the right side of the phone. The Realme Narzo 60 will feature a curved display with a 61-degree curvature. The smartphone will also feature a punch-hole display with the camera placed at the top center. Realme has also teased that the biggest storage variant will be able to house 250,000 photos. This hints that the Realme Narzo 65G will come with up to 1 TB storage. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.